So I decided to come to the field by myself again. Have you tapped? Okay. I decided to come to the field by myself. So it's been over a long period of time that I engage in activities like this. I deal with myself. I always give my boys the privilege to develop their skills. And today I decided to show up in the sites and see what they're doing. I'm so glad that they've learned to the extent that they can handle things on their own. Let me take this to the site myself. So currently I want to show them how they can raise it up, how all the panels can be raised up. And one of the easiest skills I use is not to use power. You have to use your brain. Be calculative and sensitive, knowing what to do per time. So we are not going to use any ladder in this job. What we are going to use is ordinary rope. Can I show them the rope? So there's no ladder to be used here, and there's scaffold. I've just decided to teach them another skill of using rope to send the panel to the roof. Watch with me as they do that. You see how simple this job is. So first, when you come here, you consider the length of the panel. First, you must consider the length. Look at from here to here. Then some panels are not as big as this. As you can see, this is 600 watts. This is 600 watts. Some panels are not as big as this, though this is half cut. So you can see, if it is short panel, it means they are not going to have two holes. The hole will not be two. Look at what I mean. From the frame here, you see the distance. From this place, you see the distance too. So what you do is to use your rope to send it up. You have to consider in between and get it at equal half. If from here to here, you see, then we can use from here to here as well. So what we are going to choose now is we are going to choose here and here in order to make it balanced. So because of that reason, you open your rope. Though this is too big, you have tinier rope that can pass through this edge to the other edge. So because of that, we are going to divide this into two. So possibly, let me use it once and see if it can work. Of course, it entered to make it stronger. I know you are getting what I'm saying, and in this way you can easily learn how to do it without spending much in getting scaffold, which is dependent on the level of the height of the roof where you are taking it to. So you go up there, then tell them that you are tying it so that they won't disturb you. So you can see what we are doing here. So you see this. So now you've gotten it like this. For it not to fling, you must ensure that it is properly centered. Look at this. Why do we have to tie it like this? To ensure that it doesn't dangle this or this way. It must be tight so that when raising the panel, and after this, the next thing is to give signal to the person that is on top of the roof. So because of that, I'm giving them signal. Tell them to get ready that the panel is coming up. Now is the wrong composition, but we have to be going. Be going. So the moment you see it like this, be going. Where are they? Are they far? They'll be moving the rope now. They are delaying. This guy complains too much. What happened? Huh? Where are they? What?